Hey guys, welcome back to Volume 2, Part 2 of our PC build. So this is going to be the donor PC here. This is a PC that I acquired from a family member. It's got an NVIDIA GeForce GT450 and an Intel i7 quad-core processor. This PC is older, it's about 8 or 9 years old, but for what I'm going to be using it for, it's going to do the job perfectly well. Now to save time, I'm going to disassemble it out of this Cooler Master case and get ready for our new home. So if you guys haven't checked it out already, please check out the first volume of this, which I will put a link up here on the left-hand side for you to check out. Alright, now while I'm building this, let me give you some specs on the PC. So it's got an Intel 960 i7 quad-core processor. It's a 3.2 that'll turbo up to 3.46 gigahertz. This is one of their Bloomfield processors. The motherboard's an Asus X58 Sabertooth Tough board. Got two sticks of 8GB 16 megahertz DDR3, which will give me a total of 16 gigs. It's got a Corsair TX650, which is an 80 plus bronze. For the graphics card, I've got an NVIDIA GeForce GTS 1GB, which is the GDDR5. Storage, I've got an ADATA 120 gig SSD, which for an older computer like this will give it a little bit better performance. And I also got a PCIe combo Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 card installed in here. Now that card, I'm actually running my own gaming PC as well. So I've got a Wi-Fi 6 router. I definitely wanted to make sure to take advantage of that on both the cards in here. It's got really good performance, especially for the money. I think it was around 35 bucks. I'll definitely put a link in the description below. Check out. Definitely recommend if you're looking for something. It's got a combo Bluetooth 5.0 and, like I said, Wi-Fi 6 also. One thing I'm definitely going to be upgrading pretty soon is that GTS 450. I can probably find something for pretty cheap on the used market. Since this is an ultra budget build, I definitely wanted to keep it in there for now. But definitely going to be getting something to upgrade either 2 to 4 gigs in the future. So some immediate upgrades that I'm going to be doing are the fans that I have are some NZXT fans I had laying around from my PC case. With the clear acrylic on here, I wanted to add a little bit of something. So stay tuned and check out part 3 to see what I ended up doing with that. As well as the Intel stock cooler. This thing is definitely seen better days, a little crusty, and I'm not a huge fan of the Intel stock coolers, if I'm being honest. But for the sake of getting this thing booted and posted, we're going to keep everything as is, just to see if we can get it turned on. And voila! Now, one thing I did forget to install was the PCIe Wi-Fi Bluetooth card combo. At first, I was going to install on the top portion here, but it just looked a little weird with the antennas hanging out, so I decided to put it on the bottom. Alright guys, and that comes to the conclusion of Volume 2 of our open frame PC build. Keep an eye out for Volume 3 dropping here pretty soon, where we come to the, for the most part, end of our build here. If you guys have any questions, definitely drop them in the comment section below. And like always, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.